ship behind me is called the Sunborn Yacht Hotel. You need about 60,000 naira or more to get a room a night. It's not yet to take off, but yet you have Lagosians sleeping along the road of Lagos. See, Lagos State government, they don't put that ship there. This yacht, see executive yacht. Then they pay like 50,000 naira a night. Why you not tell them, make them give you one room there? Because now our money then take by this ship. Talk to me now. Because it's dead dangerous, make you they sleep for a year. Well, that is the life of ordinary Nigerians. When they carry our money by this big ship, when we say big people, then when they come stay inside. I have to be very careful filming this place because I've got armed men guiding the Sunborn Yacht. And considering what happened to the Boko Haram guy, I wouldn't want the same thing to happen to me. So I'm taking a major risk by coming here to actually film. And that is what governance is all about in Nigeria. You know? Priorities are not well laid out. Ordinary Nigerians sleeping on the roads just near a very expensive yacht. Bought with taxpayers' money. Hopefully not. And there you go. I feel safe now. That is the true story of how not to be a Nigerian. Or you get sunburned. Well, I hope my man makes it safely. Well, that's all I got for you. The yacht is not ready for the who is who in Nigeria. How heartless can the government be to his own people?